Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to automate monthly payments in Stripe. So for this, first of all, go to stripe.com and log in with your account. Once you're logged in, now go to your dashboard and click on Product Catalog. Once this catalog is open, click on Create Product on the top right corner. From there, just create a product, like we can just name the product. So for an example, I will just add a monthly bill here. Then if you want to add description, you can add it. Now if I scroll down, so there we have two options, that is recurring and one off. If I click on one off, that is only for 1 month, and if I click on recurring, that's mean we will automate our monthly payment. Now choose your payment, like you want to pay monthly, yearly or daily. So I will go with monthly here. Add the amount that you want to pay every month. So I will simply add maybe $100 or $10 here. Okay, so now the monthly billing is added, and as you can see, this amount will be paid per month. So in this way, you can automate monthly payments in Stripe. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.